So we will be discuss about the next question of the same exercise, that is question number 3 with same statement. Verify the following. It is 2 sine 45 degree plus half cosecant 45 degree is equal to 3 over square root 2. So considering the left hand side, one thing you should understand that cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. I mean it will be equal to 1 over sine of the angle. I mean if it is written cosecant 45, consider 1 over sine 45 in its place. So putting the values, sine 45 equals to 1 over square root 2, 2 into so putting the value of sine 45 again, it will be equal to square root 2 over 1 or simply square root 2. So as you know that 2 can also be written as square root 2 whole square. So this will become square root 2 whole square divided by square root 2, whereas the other two will also be treated same way. Cutting is done and it will be equal to square root 2 plus 1 over square root 2, which after LCM comes out to be square root 2 is square root 2 whole square plus 1. Simplification, it will become 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and square root 2 will be as it is, so proved equal to right hand side.